Hi everyone, thank you for watching. My name is Denise, and today I am going to be showing you guys a Selena Quintanilla inspired makeup video. So watch the video to watch the whole process and see how I achieved this look. Now, the reason I'm actually doing this video is because today is March 31st, 2020, and it marks the 25th anniversary of Selena Quintanilla's passing. Growing up in the 90s, she obviously was one of my biggest idols. I have so many memories of singing along to her music, buying her CDs, and just being so excited to have those CDs and learn every single song and sing along with it. I had one of those little portable karaoke things where you would put the cassette in there and you can sing along. And I would take that with me, outside, and I'd sing, or I'd be upstairs in my room and I would sing. And I just loved her so much. I loved everything about her. I just thought she was such a beautiful person inside and out. I mean, even 25 years later, people are still celebrating her life. So anyways, you guys, just watch the video because yeah, I'm just gonna kind of walk you guys through what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and like I said, it's really a Selena inspired look. Check it out. All right, you guys, so I'm going to start off with this VDL Layer Primer. All right, so now Selena had some darker eyebrows. Her hair was more of like a black color. So I'm going to kind of do her kind of eyebrows rather than the typical Instagram brows that you see today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of start from, okay, just want to make sure I put the right one. Okay, right here. So I'm going to fix this eyebrow in a little bit. I'm just going to work on this one over here. So I did them a little bit thicker than I would have liked. This side came out fine. This one came out a little bit too thick. But we're going to fill this one in a little bit. Now, next is eyeshadow. She always did more like nude colors. She didn't really wear much eyeshadow. So, and she didn't really do much eyeliner either. But she always did some eyeliner and did eyelashes. So we're going to do just a very nude eye with a very slight eyeliner and some not so gaudy eyelashes. We're going to use this Violet Voss palette. This is the Holy Grail palette. I need primer. Primer. So we're gonna go with, I'm gonna do this Bestie color right here. All right, now the next one I'm going to use is Are You Kidding Me? This one here. I'm gonna put that a little bit more in my crease. Okay, now the last color that I'm going to be using is Brownie Points down here. All right. Now we're going to do the same on the other side. I'm gonna start off with the Bestie here. Next, we're going to go with the Are You Kidding Me? A little bit lower. And then brownie points. So that's that. Like I said, just a very light neutral eyeshadow. Next, we're going to do eyeliner. Like I said, she didn't do really much of a crazy eyeliner. We didn't really have too much of a cat eye. So instead of using a liquid eyeliner, I am going to be using a pencil eyeliner. So next, I'm just gonna do a little bit of mascara, and then we'll do some lashes. Next, we are going to do lashes. So we're going to use these Baddington lashes. So I don't want to do anything too crazy with the foundation, so I'm just going to use a CC cream. This is by Peter Roth, Skin to Die For. All right, and so we're just going to use some concealer. I'm using the Huda Beauty Concealer Overachiever. This is in color Graham Cracker. Yeah. Okay, so we're pretty much done with the eyes. I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara to my bottom lashes. Well, the eyes are done. Okay, so now we're just going to line the lashes, the bottom lashes, a little bit. Okay, so we're going to use this LMR Cosmetics blush, and I'm going to use this color Toasted. Okay, so that's that. I'm not going to use any setting powder or any of that stuff. We are going to contour just a little bit. So I'm using this Isadora face sculpting palette. I'm using obviously the okay, so next are the lips. So obviously Selena is known for using red lipstick and always having like red lips. She did some browns and all that stuff, but I'm just going to obviously go with that iconic red. So I am actually going to be mixing a few different colors because I have a few reds, but the red that I have in mind is not really, this is not going to work out. But anyway, we're going to start with this Jaunt Blue lip liner. Use this Kylie Cosmetics red lipstick in color Call Me. But I think I am going to do a mix of this Huda Beauty Promotion Day and this Kylie Cosmetics Cinnamon Lip Gloss. This actually might just work. No, we're going to brighten it up a little bit with the Kylie Cosmetics Call Me. Okay, so this is pretty much my Selena Quintanilla look. It's actually a everyday look that I do usually. I do usually like a red lip and very neutral eyes. The eyebrows are a little bit different than what I usually do, but I actually like them. Anyways, so this is it. All right, you guys, that is it for the Selena Quintanilla inspired makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you didn't, I am so sorry. But either way, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.